So this week's word of the week for week number 17 is calories. Now calories benefit the body by releasing energy to the body through the food you eat. More calories, in a sense, equal more energy. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, so stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 17 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, vertical jumps. Number 2, reverse lunges. Number 3, ab crossovers. And number 4, quick feet. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 17. Number 1, we got vertical jumps. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go about feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna crouch down, and then we're just gonna jump up as high as we can. And we're gonna do this as many times as we can in 30 seconds. So vertical jumps is number 1. Number 2, we got reverse lunges. So I'm gonna go and start with my right foot back. I'm gonna step back, and then I'm gonna go down and up, down and up. I'm gonna do this 5 times on my right side. Switch it over, do 5 times on my left, down and up, down and up. So that's reverse lunges. Number 3, we got ab crossover. So I'm gonna go and place my right hand out, my right leg is gonna go up, and then I'm gonna try to get my left elbow to touch my right knee. And I'm gonna cross over, I'm gonna do this 3, 4, 5, and then I'm gonna switch. Opposite side, left hand is out, right elbow touches your left knee. Okay, we're gonna go 5 on each side, switch it up. Last one, we're gonna go quick feet, so we're just gonna chop in place, quick feet, quick feet, quick feet. You wanna try to keep your heel off the ground as much as possible, on your toes, quick feet, okay? So get ready to go. That is Fast 5 workout number 17. We'll get started in just a moment. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go. Drop down and up as high as you can. Oh, I'm not jumping as high as the ceiling. Let's go. Vertical jumps. Get low and jump. Explode. Use your legs to propel you up. Let's go. Vertical jumps. You're doing great. Keep up the good. Rewind. Keep up the great work. Let's go. All right, let's go. Reverse lunges. Right leg back and down, up. Remember, we're gonna do this 5 times and then switch. Woo. 4, 5. I hope you guys are enjoying these Fast 5 workouts. Now I have 16 live Fast 5 workouts. This is number 17, my friends. Woo. Oh, they're burning. My quads and hamstrings are burning. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do those ab crossovers on your backs. We'll start with our left hand out, left leg up, right hand behind your head. You're gonna cross over starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Cross over, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Let's go. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quickly on your feet. Let's go. Let's go. Quick chops. Go. Quick, 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 quick. Stay on your toes the whole time, let's go. 30 seconds, let's go. Move, move, move. Woo. I know, I'm getting tired. If you're getting tired, it's okay. We're in this together, my friends, just finish. And time, 1 minute rest. Woo. Holy guacamole. Woo. Definitely one of the more challenging fast 5 workouts I've done. I hope you guys enjoy it. Start back up the top. We got vertical jumps, reverse lunges, ab crossovers, as well as quick feet. We're halfway done, my friends. Just finish. Remember the motto, just finish. Whatever you guys do in life, just finish. You start a project, you start a class, you start music, some type of instrument, just finish. Keep working hard at it. The longer you do it, the more time you put in, more time and effort you put into something, the better it's gonna make yourself, and the more you're gonna grow. Right, got 5 seconds left. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go, vertical jumps. I want you to really explode this round. Nice job, keep it up, let's go. Ooh, explode. All right, let's go, reverse lunges. Leg back and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. Woo! Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Just finish, my friends. Oh, I feel it. But I'm working hard. Get this together, my friends. All right, we got those ab crossovers. Let's go. 2 more. You can do it. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Go across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Try to get your elbow to touch your knee. 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 1. All right, on the feet, let's go, let's go. Quick feet, quick feet. Quick feet. No, heels in the floor, let's go. Let's go. Cha, 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 cha. Quick feet. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, just finished. 1. And time. Nice job, my friends. You did an amazing job putting this workout. Give yourself a high five. All right, tap yourself on the back. Here's a virtual fist bump. Great job, my friends. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this Fast 5 workout number 17. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you thought was the most challenging exercise and why. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot. And as always, at ThePESpot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. So we do have an announcement. Jordan and I are going to be traveling to the great state of Texas. We're going to visit my parents out in Texas. So if you're from Texas, drop a comment below and say, oh yeah. Else, hey, drop a oh yeah somewhere down there in the comment section as well. Alright, so for today's do-it-yourself fun PE game, it is called Stickman. Now, this is an activity you're not going to want to miss, so make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Alright, so for level 1 in Stickman, you're just going to attach one balloon on top of a pool noodle, and you're going to get your sock ball. You're going to have 1 minute to either toss your sock ball and hit the balloon, or throw it overhand and knock over the balloon. Make sure you guys use your critical element. Put your opposite foot forward. You go and point at your target. If you're doing underhand, you can go with that TikTok motion and release and follow through. If you're doing an overhead throw, opposite foot forward. You should point at your target, place it right next to your ear, release and follow through. Okay. Use those movements so you guys can accurately hit the balloon. Every time you hit the balloon, it's going to be worth 1 point. So we're going to have 1 minute challenge to see how many points I can get in 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, go. That's 1 point. That's 2 points. Top of that, 3 points. That's 4 points. And as you guys can see, the noodle is moving. That's 4 points, I believe. Up, too high. 5. Too high. That's 6. 7. Up too high. Alright, so 7 points for level 1. 3, 2, 1, and go. Remember, he has to hit the balloon, not the pool noodle. There you go, 1. Oh, a little too high. If you guys wanted to change this up, you could definitely make it a smaller pool noodle. But I thought it'd be more of a challenge. That's 2 points. Great job, Jordan. Keep going. That's 3. I heard it. That's 4. Nice job. That's 5. Ooh, the whole thing's moving. 6. And time 7, right? All right, so we're moving on to level 2. Level 2. Now, red is still going to be worth 1 point. Now, I have 2 more arms on our Stickman. They're going to be worth 2 points each. So if I hit red, 1. If I hit any white, that's going to be worth 2 points. All right, so let's get ready to go. And again, now you can see our Stickman is starting to develop. Points. 1 point. 3 points. Slowly. 5 points. 7 points. 8 points. 10 points. 12 points. 14 points. 15 points. And time. Total 15 points. Ready? 2, 1, and go. 2 points. 4 points. 6 points. Going for those 2s. Not quite. 8 points. 10 points. Oh, good try. 2 more points. 4 more points. 6 more points. 10 seconds left. 8 more points. Not quite. And time. All right, here we go. So now we're on level 3. We now have our head, our arms, and now we have our little legs on our stick man or stick woman. The head is still going to be worth 1 point. Arms are worth 2 points. And now our blue feet are going to be worth 3 points. So make sure you stick around. We're going to do a 1-minute challenge again. 3, 2, 1, and go. All right, that's 3 points. 2 points. It's 5 points total. Move up to the head. Oh, just missed. Let's see if I can go all the way around. All right, that's 6 points. 8 points. So for the feet. Ah, just missed. There we go, 3 more. I believe that's 11 points. Missed. Headshot. It's 12. 3 more. It's 15. All right, time. So 15 points on that round. 2, 1, and go. That's gonna count. That's 3 points. 6 points. 9 points. Oh, he's only going blue today. Not quite. Count that. That's 12. 15. 18. Well, we really hope you enjoyed this game of Stickman. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
Please let us know, what were your thoughts on the game? What other ways can you use this type of Stickman or Stickwoman activity in the future? So let us know, drop a comment below. And as always at the P-Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.